Tired of messy accounts receivable and struggling to keep track of customer payments in NetSuite? Let's dive into how to efficiently apply customer payments in NetSuite first. Navigate to either the customer record itself or the transactions menu for this example. Let's go to transactions, then customers, and finally receive payments. On the receive payments page, start by selecting the correct customer in the customer field. As soon as you select the customer, NetSuite automatically displays all their outstanding invoices. You'll see a list of open invoices. To apply a payment, simply check the box next to each invoice the customer is paying. NetSuite will auto-populate suggested amounts. Adjust the amount to apply column for splitting payments across multiple invoices. Now specify the payment method, such as check, credit card, or electronic funds transfer. Then select the bank account where the payment will be deposited. In the deposit to the field, choose the correct bank account. Double-check the total payment amount matches the actual payment received and ensure the balance is zero, indicating the payment is fully applied. Finally, click Save. That's it. You've successfully applied a customer payment in NetSuite, keeping your accounts receivable accurate, streamlining reconciliation, and improving financial reporting.